Do you want to give your videos a futuristic scanning look with colorful light waves? In this tutorial, I'll show you how to add spectrum scan effect in your CapCut Mobile. Now, let's get started. Open CapCut Mobile and tap New Project. Select the video you want to edit, then tap Add to import it in the timeline. From the bottom toolbar, tap Effects, then select Video Effects. This is where you'll find CapCut's collection of built-in visual effects. Browse through the available categories and find Spectrum Scan. Tap the one you like to preview it. You will notice a colorful scanning lines and shifting light patterns moving across your video. To make it more exciting, tap the Adjust button to adjust your video. The adjustment is depending upon your version of CapCut. Continue experimenting with it until you achieve the one you want. When you're satisfied, tap the check mark to apply the effect. An effect layer will appear on your timeline. Drag the edges of the layer to change how long the spectrum scan effect appears. Don't forget to play your video to preview the final result before exporting. And that's it. That's how you add spectrum scan effect in your CapCut Mobile. Thank you for watching and happy editing. See you in the next video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. God bless.